There are so much things happening in my life right now and I'm really exhausted, so this is just gonna be a really short video. Hi, this is June 2nd, 2025, and this is gonna be day 329 of consistently helping people build consistency. One of the best way on how you can actually be consistent at doing positive things like exercising, studying, meditating, and lots of more is to basically make some kind of entertainment exclusively obtained right after you manage to do the thing that you wanted to be consistent at. So I'm gonna be giving you guys an example. So let's say currently you really enjoy to play some video games, okay? But at the same time, you struggle to study consistently. The thing that you wanted to be doing here is that you are going to be creating on a rule that say you are only going to be able to play video games right after you manage to do some studying, maybe even more specific. Every 30 minutes of studying will give you 15 minutes of playing video games. So actually the approach is really that simple, but why this is going to be effective? Here's the thing. I think we can all pretty much agree that motivation comes and goes. We are not going to be feeling motivated 100% of the time to study. There are going to be days when we just, don't want to study and we just want to be lazy, okay? And on these days, with this kind of rule, even when we are not feeling motivated to study, we are still going to be feeling motivated to play some video games, right? And video games are only going to be attained right after we manage to study. Okay, so even on the days when we are not feeling motivated to study, we are going to have a new extra motivation to study because we want to play some video games. And actually, this way, the entertainment is going to feel even way more enjoyable because it's going to feel like a reward after doing the thing that we should be doing. Okay. Oh, yeah, you know what? I need to be studying. I've done my studying. Now it's my reward to just relax, enjoy, and play some video games. Comparatively, when we do not have this kind of mechanism and we just neglect our our responsibilities to study, we do not do our studying, we do not do our exercising, and just binge entertainment all day long, we can feel guilty, right? Doing the entertainment. Oh, you know what? I need to do all the things that I need to be doing, but here I am not doing it, right? I should have been doing it right now. It feels guilty. Comparatively, when we have this kind of rule, it's gonna feel like, oh, you know what? Yes, I actually work hard today. Now it's time to relax a bit. Now it's time to reward myself with some entertainment. And yeah, actually, it's not going to be easy to stick to this kind of rule. Just saying. But I really recommend you to ask one of your friends to become an accountability partner, okay? To keep you stay consistent with this rule. So that's it from me for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It will really be meaningful for me. Also join our Discord. And for today's day authenticity post, today's June 2nd, 2025, and today's memes are posted a Tom Holland post last 24 hours, GMT plus 7, but this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now. Thank you.